Did Venus ever have oceans, actual blue, life-supporting oceans, or was it always this cosmic inferno? For a long time I really wanted to believe Venus might have once been a paradise. After all, it's basically Earth's twin in size, gravity, and even its distance from the sun. But as it turns out, scientists have just poured some very cold water, ironically, on the idea that Venus was ever truly like Earth. Let's rewind. Billions of years ago, Venus and Earth were both forming out of the same cloud of dust and gas. Some scientists pictured Venus as a world with gentle rains, shallow seas, and maybe, just maybe, the right stuff for life to take hold. The thinking was, maybe Venus started off cool, with liquid water on its surface. But then, something went wrong. Volcanic eruptions released massive amounts of greenhouse gases, trapping heat, and Venus spiraled into a runaway greenhouse effect. The oceans boiled away. The end. At least that was one popular theory. But here's where things get really interesting. A team from the University of Cambridge decided to dig a bit deeper, literally, by analyzing the chemistry of Venus's atmosphere. This is where the clues hide. Venus is now a living hell. Its surface roasts at nearly 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and the clouds? Forget about rain, try sulfuric acid. Yet despite these extreme conditions, the real mystery is whether Venus was ever cool enough for water to exist in the first place. So, what did the scientists find? They measured how quickly water and certain gases are destroyed in Venus's atmosphere, and compared that to how these gases are supplied by volcanic eruptions. On Earth, volcanoes spit out lots of steam because our planet's insides are loaded with water. Venus's volcanoes, though, their gas is only about 6% steam. That's the smoking gun, or maybe the non-smoking gun. The research suggests Venus's interior has always been way too dry to ever allow for oceans on its surface. In other words, Venus was born hot. It never had the chance to be a lush, watery twin to Earth. So was Venus ever a place for life as we know it? The evidence is stacking up against it. Instead, we're looking at a planet that's been extreme since day one, with no oceans, no rain, just a relentless, bone-dry furnace. It's a bit disappointing, sure, but also a good reminder. Two planets can look like twins, but their destinies can be worlds apart. And who knows, maybe the galaxy is hiding another, more welcoming world out there.